For the Samsung S24 FE, the One UI 8.5 update has started rolling out. In this video, you are going to see my overall review after installing this update and using this mobile phone for some days. Coming to the update size, it is around 4197 MB. Yes, the update file size is very big. Next, the security patch has been upgraded to the 5th April patch. These are the update changes that you will observe after installing this. Many of the Samsung native applications are also updated. If you don't want them, you can simply turn them off for each application. I already uploaded the S25 FE update video and also the differences between One UI 8 and 8.5 as a separate video. You can check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment section. I already got some comments from many of you guys saying that you already installed the update and some of you are facing lags while using the control panel. Some others are also noticing abnormal heating issues and battery drain. Now I'll tell you how my device performed after using it for some days. That is the main reason why I didn't upload this video on time. And also, if you want, you can copy all the data from your mobile phone as a safe side measure, so you don't need to worry in case anything gets wiped out. Mostly it won't happen, but as a precaution, it's always good to do this. While the update is being installed, make sure you do not press any buttons. The update took around 10 minutes to complete after downloading. Once the update is finished, you will see this screen that says Welcome to One UI 8.5. Click on Start. Then on the next screen, it shows the Galaxy AI features that are improved in this update. Click on Next and that's it. The mobile update was successfully completed. Coming to the changes, yes, there are so many changes, guys. I highly recommend watching the video that I already uploaded for a better understanding. Now, after using this mobile phone for some days, here is my review. The mobile is running smoothly and I really liked the new animations. Coming to the issues that many people are commenting about, like lag in the control panel and abnormal heating issues, in my device there are no problems like that, and even the battery drain is also the same as before. Also, no green line issues or data wipe happened on my device. So that's the update and my experience with the new software update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE One UI 8.5. Please comment below if you have updated your mobile phone, what features you liked the most and whether there are any issues you are observing, so that it will be useful for other people who are watching this video and reading your comments. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.